Writing differences between. Answer SMART in the SEE and other exams. Some questions in the exam are asked to check the analytical capacity or skill of the students. Such questions ask you to write the similarities, dissimilarities, advantages, disadvantages, negative impacts, positive impacts, causes, effects, etc. Here we discuss writing the dissimilarities or differences between any two terms related to concepts, quantities, laws, categories, phenomena, etc. in science. While distinguishing between or writing differences between, make a table. And of course, close the table after completing the answer. Put numbers for the differences which you write. The first difference to write should be the definition of the terms or the introduction to them. Write the differences in complete sentences. For example, 5. Distinguish between heat and temperature in any 2 points. The second difference can be any one, but it should always indicate a characteristic feature or property of the term. If you don't write the definition of the terms, then your answer will not be perfect. Here, the definition is missed, but other features are mentioned. The answer is acceptable, but not the smart one. Always write the properties or the features as the differences. As an example, 16. Write any two differences between a duck and a bat. 2. Here, the question indirectly intends to ask you the difference between the two classes, the aves and the mammal based on the examples given. Write those characteristic features of each, because of which it is an aves or a mammal. Actually, these two seem to be the differences but not important or appropriate ones. Always write the properties or the features as the difference. You can write any two features out of many which you might know. But never write more differences than you are asked to write. If you are asked to write 2 differences, but you write 3. And out of those, if one is wrong, the examiner might not give you the full marks. It is like sending 12 players from a side in a football match, which is against the rules. Again, always write contrasting properties or the features as the differences. Never include examples as the differences, write features. 16. Distinguish between gravity and gravitation in 2 postulates.
This is the perfect way to write differences in exam and while doing homework as well. If you know more, please suggest.
Thank you.